today's video is very exciting. I'm going to be talking about some Amazon fine jewelry. Yes, girl, you know me. I love to wear some Amazon jewelry. That's like my place to go to find some cute, dainty, trendy jewelry. Before we get into today's video, I want to thank you to boutiquelovin for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to show you jewelry items I have with me. I've been wearing them quite often and they're amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get right into it. If you like any of these jewelry items I have right here, I do have a coupon code and it's Danyel1120 for the Amazon storefront. 20% off store wide on their Amazon shop. So definitely go on there, and if you go on their actual website, you get $10 off, and that is still for both 20% off and $10 off because these are already affordable as is. And to get extra discount off, girl, please. So I'm definitely gonna put y'all on these great little pieces I have with me. The items I have with me are sterling silver and plated 14 karat gold. So first off, let's start off with these earrings I have on right now. So there are these plated 14 karat gold little small chunky hoops, and I'm obsessed with them. They're very dainty, trendy, and they're very lightweight. This is what I love about all their jewelry. It's like very lightweight but still looks stylish at the same time. So that's what they look like. They look so good. So there's these little hoops, just like you can dress them up or you can dress them down, and that's what I love about them. They're just very little small little earrings, you know, just to touch up a, you know, an outfit and stuff like that. You don't want to wear too much of a bigger hoop. These are great hoops and very lightweight boots. I've been wearing them every day since, and I get a lot of compliments on the jewelry that I have from Amazon because they're great quality. So the next item I have is this pin lock necklace, and I'm obsessed with this. Look how cute it is. It's very light and simple, and I love just the new detailing of just like a locket because it's very trendy right now, just wearing like dainty jewelry and like just having something like a little locket can spice up your outfit. And just something like this I'm wearing is just like a little button-up shirt with a white crop top, and just wearing this just makes the outfit just look so like girl, looks so good. So this is a really good quality, and I love how you can size it long or short you would like it. So like right here, you have enough room right here to size how long, how short you like it, and they're honestly amazing quality, and it just gives off a different vibe to look. You can also, any items I have with me, you can layer them up. You can just wear them just by like this, or just, you know, layering them up and just wearing cute little hoops. So the earrings, how they come in is this little cute little box. This is boutiquelovin. This is since 2016. So that's what they look like, this cute little dainty box. And then when you first open it up, what I love about it is they give you a cloth so you can clean your earrings. Earrings you get, they do come with the cloth, and that's what I love. And this is a big enough size of cloth to have. And then it comes with a little card. And then they do come with the earrings, and I love how they do package the earrings. And this is what it just looks like inside. Very cute. These earrings are called the twisted hoop, and they are lightweight hoop earrings. I saw these and they look so stunning. Very different from just wearing earrings just like, you know, solid. You want to have some texture and some style with your earrings. So I thought these were super cute, and they're just little twisted little rope, and I thought that was unique. And the clasps are very easy to go in and out, so it's nothing like hard or like, you know, they're gonna break or anything. These are like so lightweight. Like honestly, I don't feel like I'm wearing any earrings right now, but this is what they look like. And I freaking love them. Like, they're just so unique, and they're like a little medium size, not too big, not too small. But I honestly do enjoy these because it just gives off a different texture on an earring. And I love how it can just make an outfit just look so good. Like, and then for necklaces and I believe bracelets, they do come in this kind of packaging. It's this little cute little envelope type. It has gold trimming around it, and then just like contact them thing information right here. They do come like that, and then necklaces will come with this little baggie it comes with. And then they also came with a bracelet because this is a set right here. So it also came with the bracelet, chain, necklace, bracelet set. So this is a paper clip chain. And if y'all girls have nails and you have no one to put your bracelet on, I like to do is just like to put tape right here so it can hold my bracelet, because it's hard sometimes for me to put bracelets on. So I'm gonna definitely put this on, and I'm gonna show you like you can layer it. So this is the necklace, just a thin little small paper clip, and you can make it also as long or as short you would like it. See, like right here, you can make it as long as or as short. And I thought that looked super cute. You know, you can just layer some necklaces and give off different little textures on your neck right here. Different styles of jewelry, just, you know, make an outfit just look a lot pop. So that's what it looks like. It looks super cute or dainty. And then right here is the bracelet. Looks super good. Just a set that's so unique, you know, something different. I don't have that much gold, so I like to have these little sets, you know, just it's something different to wear. And like, girl, this looks so good. So these are the bigger style, something different, you know, just to add different size to my earrings. So if you do have second piercings, you can probably put the little one up here and then the bigger one down here. This is how they look like. Like, these are the bigger hoops, and I'm like obsessed. Like, it just, everything Boost is so lightweight, and that's what I love about boutique jewelry, is because it's so lightweight and it's very affordable and very like luxurious looking. So I definitely recommend you going to them and going on their website and buying their jewelry, because it's that great. So here's the earrings. So for a necklace, I have this bigger paper clip kind of type of necklace right here, and it does have this unique lock on it right here, and it's just like, so this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Like, I like this, how like big and thin it is. It's not too thick of a chain. So yeah, but you can wear it like this, or you can also wear it like this, of the little, turn it around and just show the lock right here. And I thought that was super cute. So yeah, that's what it looks like right there. So the next set of earrings I do have are these chunkier hoops that are like this. These are just chunkier gold hoops, and like, I don't know what it says, and they're quite big, so they're a lot chunkier than the ones I have. These are like a little chunky, but these are chunky, and I'm obsessed with their jewelry. Like, now my jewelry is like full of Amazon. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't watched my last haul, I love Amazon jewelry. It's so dainty, very affordable, guys. Like, this is so affordable, and then plus discount, girl. They may look heavy, but they're not really heavy, and that's what I love about them, because they're so lightweight. And girl, next necklace I do have is this little coin type necklace. So it's like the same ideal of the first one, but on this one it has a little coin on it, and I thought that was so cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and look how cute that is. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. So this little coin does make a little difference. Stories are just so amazing. I'm so thankful that boutiquelovin has reached out to me, because I'm very obsessed with their jewelry now, because I'm like, I'm buying all my jewelry from there. So they do have jewelry from earrings to rings to necklaces, any items, so to let y'all know. And they do sell rose gold jewelry too, if you were wondering. So it's silver plated 14 karat gold and rose gold jewelry. So that's what it looks like. Oh my god, girl. So I did get some of the jewelry the same, just in different colors. So like, just like the first little hoops I have, but these are just the sterling silver ones. And I really love these too. I love just wearing these. So here are the silver ones. These look super good. I love these. Just, you know, different style and different color if you want to wear silver. If you don't really like gold, they do sell silver. So if you don't like silver, they do have gold. But these are the silver ones. Very cute, very dainty. Love them. So I do have a silver paper clip necklace right here, just like the one I showed y'all, but this is just the silver one. The silver, and it looks super good, very lightweight, great quality. I love the style with the paper clip, because I really know that's trendy this year. The little paper clip, Amazon dainty jewelry. Like, I always see it on my Instagram. I've seen it on my Like to Know It. Like, Amazon's jewelry is very popular this year, so you know me with my Amazon jewelry booze, and I'm putting it on. Like, this is good stuff right here. So the next sterling silver earrings I do are the bigger hoops. So let's try these bad boys on. Here are the hoops. Looks super stylish, and I love these. I love the bigger hoop of the silver ones, sterling silver. So here are the hoops. Love them. So the next necklace I have that's sterling silver is the little locket, and I thought that was so cute. Here is the silver necklace. Obsessed. I love the little locket, and I really love this, how you can just style this up right here. You can just layer it, and that looks super cute too. So my last Danyel silver hoops are these big ones, just like the gold ones, but just the silver style. So here are the silver ones. They look amazing. Love that. So those are the silver ones. Hey guys, so I did have one more glass earring I forgot to mention. So these earrings do come in a little pouch like this. So I know I got one pouch, little cute little jewelry fashion pouch, and it's turquoise. So I did get these acrylic cheetah earrings. Let me show y'all. And you know, spice it up to have some cheetah in your life. So I did get these acrylic cheetah hoops, and they look so stunning, very thin, and they do feel lightweight. So let's test them out real quick. So they do come with the little two little backings. All right, okay, they look really good. I feel like honestly, I have nothing on my ears right now. I'm telling you, this is like great quality. I love boutiquelovin. Love you, boos. Here are the earrings. Super cute. So these are amazing. I love them. The last gold necklace I do have is this necklace right here. So this is the last gold necklace I do have. So it does come with the matching bracelet. I honestly have no favorites. I can't even pick which one's my favorite because I love them all equally. Because the last set I do have on, and that's what it looks like. I do have a small wrist. So here is the last necklace. It looks like this, and I'm in love with it because it looks so good with the bracelet. My wrist is tiny, but that's okay. So here are the jewelry items that I've been obsessing about wearing lately. So if you like any of these items, I do have everything linked down in the description. And I want to say thank you to boutiquelovin for sponsoring today's video. And I'm very thankful and grateful for you sending me these jewelry items. And I'm obsessed. I love them. I definitely go on the website and go buy some more because they're amazing. I definitely want to try some rings out now. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!